Why do birds fly into windows, and how can you prevent it? You might be shocked to learn that birds often mistake reflections for real sky or habitat, causing dangerous collisions. Discover simple tricks to keep your feathered friends safe. Birds rely heavily on sight for navigation. When a window reflects the sky or greenery, birds interpret it as an open flight path. This illusion tricks them into flying straight into glass, which they cannot see as a solid barrier. These collisions can injure or even kill birds, making windows a hidden hazard in urban and suburban areas. Certain window types and conditions make collisions more likely. Large, uninterrupted glass panes provide bigger reflective surfaces. Windows near bird feeders or plants also raise risks. At night, indoor lights can confuse migratory birds, drawing them toward buildings. Understanding these factors helps target prevention methods effectively. Simple actions can drastically reduce bird window collisions. Applying decals or stickers in patterns disrupts reflections, alerting birds to the barrier. Installing external screens or shades adds a physical visual cue. Even repositioning bird feeders and plants away from windows helps. At night, reducing indoor lighting or using curtains can protect migrating birds. High-tech options exist too. Some window films reflect ultraviolet light, which birds can see but humans cannot. These invisible signals warn birds of glass ahead without spoiling your view. Other innovations include patterned glass designed to reduce reflections. Combining these with basic steps creates a bird-friendly environment around your home. Now you know why birds fly into windows and how you can prevent it with easy, effective methods. Protecting birds takes just small changes that save lives. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your world safer and smarter.